evening, everyone. Commencing with the sacred name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and benevolent. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable audience, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic which is assigned to me is how independent are we? The 14th August, the day of independence from the Hindus as well as British. Historically speaking, it's a journey observed that Pakistan got separate geographical status on the world map on 14th August. The purpose of Qaeda was not to get find any geographical status in the world map. Nowadays, I'm continuously hunted by a question. Are we really independent? We got freedom from the British rule, but what we have done with our independence? Nowadays, it's so regrettable that our children are nourishing in such an atmosphere that doesn't know the basic rule and culture of Islam, but they really know the name of hero and heroines of Bollywood, Hollywoods, along with their biography. How could we say we are independent? Is the killing of a girl is independence? Is the abduction of one child is independence? Now, dears, we are utterly unaware the facts why we got Pakistan. We got Pakistan on the basis of separate religion, which is Islam. In summing up about the all statement, I want to ask a question from all Pakistani. Do you think we are independent above before quoting above all the statement? Do you think we are really independent? We are fulfilling the purpose to get Pakistan? Dear fellows, I think no. We are not really independent because we are not fulfilling the purpose to get Pakistan. Nowadays, we make promise with ourselves and make really independent ourselves by having the good deeds. Now I want to get off my end of my speech with a famous poetry. अभी तक पाँव से चिमटी है जंजीरें गुलामी की, अभी तक पाँव से चिमटी है जंजीरें गुलामी की, कि दिन आ जाता है आज़ादी का, आज़ादी नहीं आती. Thank you.
This was Seher Abbasi.